DLSU to Saints ko?
Di ba yun yung sobrang layo?
University uli. Parang pangapat na natin ah. Gawin na nga nating series.
May parang may bazaar daw doon ngayon. Gusto mo tingnan?
Tara.
Tara na, ang init.
Oo nga, ang init. Let's go.
Let's go.
Si ang layo.
Sobrang layo. Our hardest walk yet. Tara na nga. Prepared na ba kayo?
Ito ba tayo na naman?
University Counter 1. Best university guys.
Ang init.
Nahilong ako eh.
Ano yun?
Faster inhaler. It gives you 2-in-1 relief. Basically inhaler at essential oil. Naging okay na nga feeling ko. Tara nga, layo pa grabe.
Sarap ang init.
Pagod na ako guys, kailangan muna natin magpahinga.
Break counter 1. Got 300 meters left guys.
Sunlight counter number 1.
Ang init. Buti na akong dala ko yung instant cooling body spray. Instant relief guys, instant cooling. Tapos it smells really good. Counter 2. We're here guys, pero paano tayo papasok? Mali yung nilakaran namin. Okay guys, we're here na talaga.
After 18 kilometers.
Filtration successful.
Gusto mo lumipan na dito?
Sayang yung 3 years ko na doon.
Guys, cool tour lang tayo. Ang laki ah.
Uy, kanta ko yun oh.
Guys, stream aking senta.
Stream now guys, stream.
Thank you guys.
Kung sa counter number.
Welcome sa Chinito Walker headquarters. Dito kami nag-i-edit. Plano namin mga podcast dito. Papalamig na kami guys sa napansin.
Breaks over, let's go down guys.
Go down guys, let's interview some people. Saang university yung pinakamaraming COVID?
Green. Nasaan? Uy.
Kasalan natin yun.
Okay.
Hindi ako payag, dalawa yung sagot niya eh.
Ateneo. Walang isang lasal.
Sige, lasan.
Okay, let's go.
Isa lang yung Lasal, dalawang Ateneo. Natatalo tayo ng walang aircon bro.
So may products lang kami. Tell us what your thoughts about this product.
Since hot weather kasi ngayon, di ba?
Yeah, sakto hot weather ang sir.
Smells very
Naman.
super good. Parang bagay siya sa araw ngayon.
Yeah, kasi ang init oh.
May cooling effect.
Wala.
Since malapit lang yung Lasal and Saints ko, what's the best place to eat today around town?
Sisig ng dating habon.
Tama sila.
Okay.
What's the best place to eat in Tacna?
For me, tagpuan Berlin.
Main healer, tapos may essential oils. Yeah.
Pastel.
Yeah, pastel.
Pwede ito ba nag-exam?
Actually.
Pwede rin sa hot weather ngayon.
Food break 1.
Mukbang.
ASMR.
What are your thoughts?
Ang ganda ng Saints ko. Lilipat na ba tayo dito?
Tara, lipat na.
Ang ganda, ang peaceful. Guys, magti-TikTok dance kami with one Saints ko student right now. Where do you guys want us to walk next? Thank you guys. May part 2. May bumalik sila.
Wala po tayo jowa.
1, 2. Thank you guys. Okay guys, paalis na kami sa Saints ko. It's been super fun being here guys. Bye-bye.
I love it here. W5.
Thank you so much Saints for lasting for having us. DLSU to Saints ko, done.
You guys already know the drill. Comment down below where to next from DLSU to where.
10k likes, top comment na school, yan yung pupuntahan.
Okay guys, it's been a great time. Thank you so much.
Thank you Saints Scholastica. Bye.
Peace out. See you.
Bye.